Then Avalo Mama, Avalu Tata. Hello Jitata and Jalo Jentata and hello Mama. I want to tell you something. Today I want to sleep with you and I want to I love come to Ballari and Nellore and I want to sleep with you together. Happy Grandparents Day. I love you, Nani, Tata, Mama, Tata. Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about my grandparents whom I love so much. And my grandfather plays with me, watch videos with me and join with me. And my grandmother makes best sweets. And I love to go to my grandparents' house and I call my grandmother Aji. I call my grandfather Abba. Okay, bye friends. Happy Grandparents Day, Mama, Tata. Wish you a happy Grandparents Day. Thanks for all the fun and love. Love you. You're the best grandparents in the whole wide world. Give you a big hug. Love you. Today I'm going to tell about my grandfather. So he loves me too much and he says I am Bitya Rani and he says may he Milia Bitya Rani, may he Milia Gudiya Rani, and he loves me too much. He loves me. Thank you. Hello, I'm Shaina. I'm going to give a message for my grandparents. Hello, Nani. Hello, Daddy. I'm going to miss you a lot, and I'll come to Delhi in soon. And you are in, both of you are in Delhi, and I will enjoy the lovely food there, so you had made. Okay? Hi, I'm Amma Tata. Hi, Nanamma. Happy Grandparents' Day. I love you. Baba, I may not see you every day, but I think of you. And I love you. Thank you for blessings. And bye.